Hi, my name is Steven and I've been coming to the Glen Dental for 2 years now. So prior to getting Invisalign, my teeth were very crooked and I had an underbite. I also had impacted wisdom teeth. So the main purpose that I wanted to get Invisalign was for the aesthetic appeal. I definitely wanted to have a better smile, but also for quality of life. So now that I've gone through my Invisalign journey, I love my smile. I'm always constantly smiling. I find myself at the DMV taking a picture for my new card, but I'm smiling from ear to ear because I'm just so much more confident. I worked with Dr. Henny. She was great from the get-go, and the staff were amazing. Every time I came for a checkup, it wasn't just a regular visit, but it was about, hey, how are you doing? They actually care about their patients, and they take time to get to know you, and it feels more like a family than just going to a regular dentist. Invisalign, I tell a lot of my buddies, it's a lot sexier than braces. You can actually take it off, chew, eat foods without having to worry about all the braces sticking to your gums. I definitely recommend the Glen Dental Group.